Hello dear students, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well. This is me, your science teacher Santoshi Regmi. We are learning the chapter matter since last 2 weeks, and today we are going to learn same chapter with the topic change in states of matter and classification of matter. Hope you are going through the previous videos that I have uploaded in the Midas e-class, and today also we are going to start with one short tutorial video. Let's go through it. Today we are going to learn change in states of matter. Every day we see different changes in our surrounding. Solid changing to liquid, liquid to gas, and gas to liquid, and liquid to solid. These changes are from one state to another state. The changes occur either by heating or cooling. You can see solid changing into liquid and liquid changing into gas on heating, and again gas on cooling changes into liquid and liquid on cooling further changes into solid. While changing from one form of matter to another form, some substances absorb heat, some substances liberate heat. Here in the first figure, heat is being absorbed from the surrounding, and in the second figure, heat is liberated toward the surrounding. When a solid substance is heated, its molecules try to move away from each other and ultimately changes into liquid. Similarly, liquid on heating changes into gas. You can see figure on heating how molecules of solid moves apart and changes into liquid and further into gas. If we cool gas, it condenses into liquid, and liquid on cooling further changes into solid. Here you can see how one state of matter changes into another state on cooling. The process are given here. The process of changing liquid into solid on cooling is known as freezing. Similarly, the process of changing gas into liquid on cooling is known as condensation, and the process of changing gas directly into solid on cooling is known as deposition. One state of matter can be changed into another state on heating also. The process of changing solid into liquid on heating is known as melting. The process of changing liquid into gas on heating is known as evaporation. And the process of changing solid directly into gas on heating is known as sublimation. This is summary of change in states of matter. Here we can see blue and red arrows. Blue arrow represents cooling process and red arrows represents heating process. Freezing, condensation, deposition, they are cooling process. Melting, evaporation, sublimation, they are heating process. In this way, one state of matter can be changed into another state either on heating or cooling. Now, classification of matter. Matter can be classified on the basis of their uses, properties, and composition. Substances are of two types depending on their composition. They are pure and impure. Here, substances can be classified as pure and impure, and pure substances further divided into elements and compounds. Similarly, impure substances, it is mixture, and mixture are of two types, homogeneous and heterogeneous. Here we can see some diagrams of elements, compounds and mixture. Oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, sodium, chlorine, they are elements. Similarly, sodium, metal and chlorine gas, when they are combined, they form salt, table salt, that is compound. And similarly, potato chips, they are mixture because they are formed from different substances in different ratio. So they are impure substance. But elements and compound are pure substance because they are formed in fixed ratio or fixed proportion. An element, it is a substance that cannot be broken into simpler substance. Example, iron, copper, gold, nitrogen, etc. Now, there are 118 elements. Out of these, 92 have been found in nature and rest have been synthesized in laboratories. Compound. A compound is substance produced by combination of two or more elements in a fixed proportion by their volume or weight. Zinc sulfate, sodium chloride, water, etc. Now mixture. A mixture is a substance that is formed when two or more substances are mixed in any proportion. It is of two types, homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture, we can see some figure here, different color juices. They are homogeneous because the component particles in this type of mixture are distributed uniformly and we cannot see them separately through our naked eyes. But in case of heterogeneous mixture, the component particles can easily be seen separately through our naked eyes also. Here you can see fruit salad, similarly vegetable salad or sand and water. There are some examples of heterogeneous mixture. Okay, in this way we studied the chapter matter. In this chapter we studied definition of matter and its properties, three different states of matter, their molecular arrangement and properties, change of states of matter and definition of element, compound and mixture. Okay, this much for today. See you in the next session. Thank you. Stay safe.